gradually change it. But basically, be aware that what you're trying to teach the student is to pick up these subconscious motions of the right foot coming forward, the right hand motioning toward them, the shoulder basically moving so that they can pick that up. Because remember that the thrusting motion is more difficult to pick up or take into account right in the beginning. Okay, so just make sure that you understand what you're doing and how you're going to gradually evolve your student into becoming a good fighter or a good warrior or a good self-defense person who can defend himself. If you get too fast, if you go too fast for them, then it becomes frustrating. Okay, so go ahead and, since you've already done the Kadena before, go ahead and do that thrusting motion. And you'll find that thrusting motion is easier to parry than it is to block with thrust. And remember, so it's easier to parry a thrusting motion as opposed to using a blocking motion. Okay? And again, you'll see elements of this stuff in the spontaneous knife as well as in the reactive knife system that was specifically developed for law enforcement and martial arts. So go ahead and try developing into thrusting motion. Now what I do basically when I go into a raw class is I'll alternate. I'll do one thrusting motion, so I'll evolve. First I'll do it this way, and then one thrusting motion, and then one arcing motion. So again, I'm reinforcing what I'm teaching to my student from arcs to thrusts, so that he understands that the same motions, the same technique, I can do with either motion. Okay? Why don't you go ahead and grab that and try that.
Question.
Sir?
I noticed that whenever you're working with Emmanuel, and I see you do this, you're patting yourself here, and as he's touching his leg, is that a signal for them to attack?
We teach our, no, I usually spring my hand on a pat. You're talking about this right here. And you want to go like this? Yeah, he does it too, yeah. I do that because in Filipino martial arts, this is a guardian hand, and it's easier to get, if anything's coming to my head, it's easier to get my hand over here than it is if it was down here to get it up there. You got to understand that this, when we're fighting, it is so fast that I've got to have my hand here. I won't be able to get it from here to here. If I go like that to him and my hand's down here, I ain't going to get it up there fast enough. I might stand a chance if my hand's right here and he does that. I can get my hand right here real quick. Basically, it's called a guardian hand. So basically, when we train to keep our hand right in this general area right here. Okay.
Are you aware that you were patting your leg?
I think I'm doing that more as a wipe-off motion than
Yeah.
I don't even think about it.
Well, that's a good question. Anything in that nature, go ahead and ask. Everything we do has a purpose, but be aware, even though I'm the master of my system, I have bad habits too. I have some bad habits as well. So I try to teach what is correct, but sometimes some students pick up some of my bad habits, and I try to correct them. Okay, try doing that.